Today, we're going to look at the problem 25 from 2021 amc10b. This is the same as problem 5 of 25 AMC 2021 amc12b. So let S be the set of lattice points in the coordinate plane, both whose coordinates are integer between 1 and 30 inclusive. Exactly 300 points in S, less on or below a line between equation y equal to mx. The possible value of m lies in an interval of length a over b, where a and b are relative prime, positive integers. What is a plus b? Okay, we can imagine this in coordinate plane. There's a box with silence 30 and 30. This is square, right? Within this box, there's 900 points. Okay, we can consider a line mx goes right. There's 300 points on this line or below. Right. So since there's a total 330 by 30, there's 900 points. Also, there's about roughly is about 900 square units in this area. So we can estimate the area under this line is about 300 units. Because there are 300 points. So we can see this is roughly around 20. So we're gonna first to calculate how many points on and below of this line with y equal to 2/3 x. This slope is 20 over 30. It's 2/3. Since the slope 2/3, the denominator is 3. So that means when x equal to multiple 3, let's go through the lattice points. This line must pass 3, x equal to 3, 6, 9, all the way to 30. Okay, let's draw the first few points out. So we can see here, so this must go through this point, that will be 3, 2, and this is 6, 4. Okay, so then we look at the first point, 9 dots here. So this goes through here. So let's leave these dots. These dots is below and these points on this line, right? So this pattern gonna repeat. So you can see here, this goes through this point and leave these and these points is below or on the line. Okay, so this pattern gonna repeat. So we can calculate how many points under or on the curve. Okay, let's count how many points on or lie under this line. Okay, so this row we don't count. We start from this row. So you can see 2 outside, but that's gonna be 29. And then this row, there are gonna be, so you can see this 1, 2, 3, 31 minus 3. This one is on, so they're gonna be 28. So now we go to next row, that will be here. You can see here, that's gonna be two less than this. That's gonna be 26. Then you can find this row from here. They're gonna be 25. That's one less than. So this pattern continue. We're gonna have 23, 22. So this is one all the way go to 2. So these all the way go to 1. So then we add them. Okay, so the first is the arithmetic sequence. Second is also a arithmetic sequence. We can use arithmetic sequence to calculate them. There's a total 10 numbers each, right? Okay, so then this part is 2 plus 29 over 2 times 10 plus 1 plus 28 divided by 2 times 10. So this equal to 31 plus 29 divided by 2 times 10. So you can find out this exactly 300 points. That's nice. Now you can see here, because this line goes through these 10 points, when x equal to multiple of 3. So if this line goes down, so they are going to be less than 300 points, like on or below this line. So basically, m equal to 2/3 is the lower boundary of the slope. Then what is the upper boundary? Okay, we can imagine this line rotate about the origin a little bit. So you can see here, so because they are repeating pattern is this 2 by 6 block. So, and this rotation is a small angle. So this is gonna be less likely to touch this point, and more likely to touch this point. So that's all the way through this line. So you can see when this angle is very small, they're going to be touch this without touching any other points. So these points actually is 28, 19. Okay, so then that's going to be the upper boundary. That's m equal to 19 over 28. So we're looking for the interval of m. So that's going to be in this interval. 2/3 to 19 over 28. The interval length is 19 over 28 minus 2/3, which equal to 84. 50, 19 times 3, 57, minus 2 times 28, that's 56. So now you find the answer is 1 over 84, where A is 1, B equal to 84. So then A plus B equal to 85.